Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of a Charles&keith wallet. It's called the mini compact wallet. This is what it came in, like paper bag. So it came in this box. Well, actually I've already used the wallet, so that's why you can see scratches in the box. I got this wallet for last year in 2019. And I got it for around 100 something. I got it from a retail store in KL Central. This is how it came during the time I bought it, like in this dust bag. And it came with the two, the silica thing for prevent moldiness. Got it in the style black. This is the style. The code, I'm not sure if you still can get it, but maybe you can try and ask for the code number. This is the code number. Like I said, I have already used this wallet for almost a year, and I just want to show you guys how the wear and tear. So this is what it looks like. The good thing about the wallet, and the only reason I bought the wallet, is because it has this big compartment zipper, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And I have a lot of cards, so you can never find a wallet which stuff a lot of cards in it. The leather is really smooth. Actually, I don't know if you guys can see the detail or not, but it's actually smooth leather, and it feels very buttery. It has black stitching, and the stitching is pretty good and seamless and clean. It goes throughout the whole wallet. So this is how I normally just carry it. I got it in the gold hardware. I'm not sure if it comes in other color, but I got the gold one. See, it's raised up and not just printed on. Okay, so it has few compartments, and this is the main compartment. When you open the wallet, it has like 5 slots for cards, and they go pretty deep in, like as you can see, it goes all the way here. Got initials on the inside. Get one compartment in here, and the second compartment on the first side of it, and then you get the same amount of card holders here, like 1 2 3 4 5, so another total of 10. And on this side you don't have any compartment, and then you get this tab. This is the part that sold me. Like, it has this big zipper side. I have quite an amount of card. As you can see, it's quite thick, and most of the time the wallet doesn't have enough compartments, so I normally put it in here. And it has 2 compartments here. So this side normally I used to put my coins, because it has zippers, so the coins doesn't fall out. It's really detailed and good quality. So far I've used it for 1 year, almost a year, let's be honest. And this is the wear and tear of it, but to me it's really good for a year, because most the wallets I've used, they get scratched up real easily, and the initials on the zip is still really good. So it has this, I don't know if you guys can see and get what I'm saying, but like, can you see this lining? It's like glossy lining. It has never peeled from all the bags I have had and like the wallets I have. Normally this lining will peel off real quick, but I use this wallet every day, by the way, and so far this has never peeled off. This is the main compartment where you put your cash, and it's quite narrow and deep down. I'm going to show you guys like the Malaysian money. So this is the Malaysian dollar, which is 50 and biggest size of the money it has. You can see like the height of it. It goes all the way deep down here when you put it in that big compartment here. You can see the money fits real well and it goes deep inside, you know, so you don't have to worry about your money falling off. And then you still have space on the side, and this is already the biggest note. This is how it looks like in the height wise. And the convenient part is like, normally you are shopping and sometimes you're not using cash, or you just use cards and you have shopping carts. So I just normally pull out my bank cards and you know, you can snap it in. I think it's quite worth it. But if let's say you are a student and you want something good quality and it lasts for a long time, it lasts,